If you want to change your wallpaper on Xiaomi 17, you can simply open the settings and then proceed to personalization over here. Once you open personalization settings, you can, for example, create a new set here on the left side, and you have a couple of options, some of the pre-installed wallpapers that you can choose from if you like one of these. So let's say if I'm gonna choose this one, I should be able to use it quite easily, and we can zoom in and zoom out as well, and with 2 fingers you can also move it around. So as you can see, this is how it looks like. We can also toggle the depth effect, and here in effects we can find some additional options that you can go through if you want to. And once you set everything up, you can just tap on apply in the upper right corner. Over here you might be asked if you want to toggle wallpaper carousel, which changes the lock screen wallpaper every time you open the lock screen. So yeah, I personally don't like that, so I'm just gonna turn it off, and there we go. That is pretty much it. But besides that, you can also scroll down over here and you can find some additional wallpapers that you can choose from. So be sure to check them out. Also, you can tap on more here on the right side in order to search for more examples. And if you happen to find something that you like, then of course you should be able to select that wallpaper, decide if you want to set it for the lock screen, home screen, or both. And there we go. That is pretty much it. The rest is exactly the same. We can zoom in and zoom out quite easily as well, and change the position of the wallpaper. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.